2, 1.
Hello, greetings to you guys. Welcome to Moneycoin apps and airdrops. Okay, I'm going to be showing you a short video on how you could farm the mystery society. It's an airdrop. So what I'm going to be showing you in this video is how you could participate in this airdrop before it comes to an end. So what you just have to do, you have to register first. So this is my WhatsApp group. I have to click on this link. So when I click on the link, it will request I open it with a browser. So I'll click on Chrome's. Now it will bring me to this interface and I will allow it to load completely. Now when it brings you to this page, if you are accessing this page for the first time, it will bring you to this page. What you have to do, you come to either menu or you click on this complete quests. Here we have complete quests. So what do we have to do? Let's take it step by step. Now if you come to the menu here at the top header section on the left part, and when you click on it, we have some information here. We have home, we have raffle, we have quest, we have referral. Now when we click on home, it brings us to this main page, which we still have here on the menu. Now when we come to raffle, it brings us to some of these other tags which we need to execute. Now here in raffle we say earn Ducats to enter an exclusive prize raffle. During the event period, there will be one prize for each of the top 5 earners. Now what you have to do, you have to perform some of these tags. Look at this place here. We have, it says social quests and my referral. Now when you click on social quests, it brings you to where we have quest. Remember, we have quest here on the menu also, so it directs you to quest. Now when you come to quest, what you have to do are just simple tasks. One, you have to join their Discord server. After you've done that, you have to follow them on X, formerly known as Twitter. After you've done that, you also have to follow them on X again. Now you also have to follow them on X. You have to follow most of the tags which are given to you on X. Now you also have to follow them on Discord. Then after you've done that, you also have to follow them on X again. Now the last tags here, which it says connect to Steam. I tried connecting to Steam, but I don't know, it kept saying I'm using a VPN, which I'm not using. Now after which you've done that, that is the only task you have to do. But if you want to refer now, how do you get your referral link? You come to referral, and when you click on it, it will show you your referral link. Now what you have to do, you just click on this place and copy. Now if you want to share it on X, formerly known as Twitter, you click create referral tweets. Now here on referral, we also have our dashboard information. If you refer, it will show you the total number of persons you've referred. Currently I've referred 10 persons, and each person you refer, you earn a point if they are being active or if they've done the task. Now from those people I refer, it is only 1, 2, 3, 4 persons that have done the task. Probably they don't understand how to go about the task, but now I have done a video. You can just go back to the task and ensure you complete it. Now you have to ensure you do those tasks. Now some of the things you earn from doing these tasks, you earn 1000 Ducat token connecting to Twitter. You earn 2005 Ducat if you refer someone to join, and refer others, you earn 5000 Ducat. Now the points keep increasing. Now if you refer 3 other users, you earn 10,000 Ducat. So it is wise you join and start inviting as much persons you can before it comes to an end. Don't let this take you unaware like SLN Smart Layer coin took most of us unaware. So it is good you participate now, earn most of these points, and later you smile. You remember the bull run is coming. Every opportunity is a step to change your financial status. So ensure you register. Okay, let's go back to the home page. So thank you for watching this video. If it's been helpful to you, do ensure you register now, and do ensure you take this serious, because it's not going to be there forever. It's just a short time. I remain your friend Desmond on Mining Point Apps and Airdrops. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on the bell notification icon, and bye for now.